Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
Y'all, I just caught a load right now. I'm out here. Listen, man. I'm out here. Like this right now. I'm out here like this right now because I literally was not supposed to be running no Amazon load. Not this early in the day. I just caught this load 6 miles from the house, 2 miles further than where I normally pick up my loads at CAE 1. This load is paying me $146.55 a mile. I'm going 1.8 miles. This is the first time I've ever caught this. My man Twan called this the dragon right here. He said it's the dragon load. You ever catch that? You ain't got to really do much. Listen, I run this load 7 times a day if they let me. But this the load I've never got to run almost in a year. And today I happen to go to the crib, sit down, get ready to put some content together. I go breeze at the load board and I'm looking like, wait a minute, is that what I think it is? I hit the book button so fast, they loaded me up right now. I caught the dragon, y'all. $270 and some change. 2 miles down the street. I'll do this all day. As a matter of fact, this looks like the load that I was looking up when I was live the other day when I said I'll do those all day long. Amazon to Amazon. Amazon to Amazon. $146.55 a mile. Where they doing that at? Not a lot of places. I had to share that with y'all real quick, man. I'm out here, man. I'm out here working, man. That's why it's good to always go peek at that load board. You know, y'all, people be sleeping on Amazon. Just have Amazon just as an extra account. Even if you don't, want to run Amazon stuff all the time, if you're doing over the road, it's always good to have that Amazon relay load board in your back pocket just in case something crazy pop up like this on the load board. All right, you already know what it is, man. Always hustle, never stop going. It's the homie Bigg Vic TV. Make sure y'all go cop some of that new merch. We got it on right now. We doing it right now. You feel me? Bigg Vic TV. We in the building. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's eat, baby.
I'm so tired of these late night talks, saying things that we don't mean, that we regret in the morning. Yeah, I just wish we could open up, be a little more honest. This is getting exhausting. Yeah, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, but maybe it's too late.